To sell a debit spread on Robinhood, you first need to understand what a debit spread is. A debit spread is a type of options trading strategy where you buy and sell options with different strike prices but the same expiration date. The goal is to profit from the difference in prices between the two options. Start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the options trading section. Select the stock you want to trade and choose the expiration date. Then, choose the type of options you want to buy and sell, either calls or puts. To create a debit spread, you will buy an option with a lower strike price and sell an option with a higher strike price. For example, if you think the price of a stock will go up, you can buy a call option with a strike price of 50 and sell a call option with a strike price of 55. When creating the debit spread, you will be required to pay the difference between the prices of the two options. Which is the debit? The maximum potential loss is the debit you paid, and the maximum potential gain is the difference between the strike prices minus the debit. Before selling a debit spread, consider the risks and rewards. Make sure you understand the strategy and have a clear plan. It is also important to set a budget and stick to it. Start with small trades and gradually increase the size as you gain experience. It is also crucial to monitor your trades and adjust as necessary. Keep an eye on the prices of the options and be prepared to close the trade if it is not going in your favor. In conclusion, selling a debit spread on Robinhood can be a profitable strategy if done correctly. By understanding the basics of options trading and following a clear plan, you can increase your chances of success. Always prioritize risk management and continue to educate yourself on the topic to improve your skills.